Hi. OpenASAP is a platform that helps you to share structured data very easily. Let me explain structured data. That's databases, lists, spreadsheets with formulas, pivots, charts, dashboards. That means complex stuff. I will explain the retain functionality in 2 minutes. Today, the situation is like that. If you share that kind of data, normally you grab an Excel sheet or a PDF, do it as a file attachment to your email, or perhaps a Dropbox link, but normally IT hates you for that because it's so unsecure, and normally that kind of information is outdated instantly. You cannot write back, and if you look at this screen here, that kind of data is not working on mobile right now. So you're losing a lot of time and money. The solution, how we solve this problem is, our platform turns that data instantly into dynamic apps, native apps, in a container app. That means we look for columns that you might be interested, perhaps build a dashboard instantly for you. We build detailed dialogues, we get more information about your data, perhaps phone numbers and so on. We start with a set of rules, and right now we are switching to machine learning. That means we find out location data and just give you an app. While doing this, we're solving most of your problems. That means these apps are always up to date. That means we have a user management. We're hiding the source. That means if I send you the data, you cannot forward it to the competition. The data might be on premise. We have a patent pending from that, and if the backend allows it, we can even write back to the data source. This works nearly for every database because everyone can throw out some structured data. Now let me switch to my mobile phone. So that's our container app, and I just show you my favorite app. This looks like a normal KPI dashboard like Tableau or Power BI, but it's very responsive, it's native. But let's have a look at the back end of this app. It was built on our business plan. That means with hundreds of formulas, pivots, charts. That means really complex stuff with best case, worst case scenarios. That's why our app that was built in 3 minutes is able to use this logic inside the spreadsheet. That means it's not only nice, good-looking picture, that's a cash flow plan, and you can really work on this with the complete logic of your source files of Google Sheet or whatever. Let's go back. Oops, yeah. So this is built by our own team. There are right now 1.5 billion spreadsheet users with the full power of spreadsheet with definitely no code. How did we did this? So we have a quick demo for that. You throw in your data, system analyzes, give you some hints. So let's go for the calculation. And now all you have to do is simply select the cells you're interested in. And we do all the rest. That means we instantly build a prototype for you. And once you're ready, just add a theme. System gives you a hint about, hey, I found some charts or some print settings. Would you like to use them? Click, grab them. You can change everything if you want to. Now the app is ready. That means this app that you throw out like this is always up to date. That means whenever you change the logic in the back end, the app is updated. To give you some real case from industry, that's PricewaterhouseCoopers. They had an Excel-based offering calculator, because everyone has an Excel-based offering calculator. And they wanted to have a native iPad app, and they looked for an external developer, and he needed to rewrite the complete spreadsheet logic. Took them 3 months for the first prototype. Using our technology, they built it on their own in 15 minutes. Right now, we started 10 months ago to sell the system. So every big company likes it. We've done 50% of these companies during the last 3 months, tripled our MRR. That's still low. The Commerzbank even invested in us 3 months ago. It's a land and expand model. That means once these companies realize that they build apps on their own, they do more and more and more. We have a freemium model. That means companies, commercial use, need to pay between $3 and $5 per user per month. Non-commercial use or public apps are completely free. That means our first vertical, the insurances, they throw out apps to their end users during the next months. It runs on iOS, Android, Windows 10 native, and browsers. All this calculating stuff can also be used in bots or in Cortana integration, something like that. You can integrate app generation into existing systems like CRM system or in Google Sheets. And this is the managing director of Microsoft. He's just demoing here, and he talks with Cortana about a sales report. So that's just to give you an idea. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Stefan.